Hello everyone. Now we are going to see exercise 1.3 question number 5. Find the symmetric difference between the following sets. Subdivision 1, P equal to set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and R equal to set of 1, 3, 5, 11. Let us see the solution. P equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. R equal to 1, 3, 5, 11. P difference R equal to, write the element of P and element of R. Look here, we must remove the common terms, 3 common and 5 common and 11 also common. So the remaining set of P we must write remaining 2, 7. So we must write here 2, 7. The same way R difference P. So we must remove the common elements. 3 is common, 5 is common and 11 is common. So remaining elements of R we must write. Remaining elements of the first set we must write. So 1. And look here. Here we must find the symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means P difference R union R difference P. Okay, so P difference are the elements 2, 7, union R difference P the elements 1. So combinedly we must write. So 1, 2, 7. Are you clear? Okay, then next subdivision 2. R equal to LMNOP and set S equal to JLNG. Let's see the solution. Write the set of R and the set S the same way. R difference S. So here we must remove the common elements. So L common and L common. Next N is also common. So remaining M O P we must write here. Then S difference R. So remaining the set of S and difference the set of R. Here we must remove the common elements. So L is common and N is common. So remaining J G right here, J G. Okay, next to find similar difference we must take union of these two. So R symmetry difference S equal to R difference S union S difference R. Then set of MOP union JG. So write here JMOPG. Next subdivision 3. Set of X and set Y. Let us see the solution. Write the set X and the set Y. Find X difference Y. And here we must remove the common elements. So 5 common and 7 common. So remaining elements of the first set. Here we use the first set X, you know. So the remaining elements of the first set we must write here. So 6. The same way Y difference X. Here 5 is common and 7 also common. Then remaining 9 and 10. So right here 9, 10. Then X difference X symmetric difference Y equal to X difference Y union Y difference X. Then 6 union 9, 10. So combinedly we must write 6, 9, 10. Next question number 6. Using the set symbols, write down the expression for the shaded region in the following. Okay, look here. From Y they removed X because look this part X intersection Y is common. This part is common for both, but here this part is not shaded. So from Y we must subtract X. Let us see the solution. Y difference x. Y difference x. Look this part. Here inside they are not shaded. So x okay, what is the inside? X union y. Except x union y. Except the concept we have learned already is a complement. So let us see the solution. X union y dash. Okay, look this Venn diagram. When you focus, this part is a part of x difference y. When you focus that part, it is a part of y difference x. So when we take union of x difference y and y difference x, we will get this Venn diagram. So let us see the solution. Is x difference y union y difference x. Because x difference y means we will shade this part alone, not a common part. Here alone we will shade. And y difference x means we will shade here. So when we take union, we will get this Venn diagram. Are you clear? Okay. Then question number 7. Let A and B be two overlapping sets and the universal set be U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. Subdivision 1, A union B. Let's see the solution. A union B means we will shade like this. Combinedly we will shade A union B. Suppose A union B the whole dash given means what you will do? Except A union B we will shade, which means the outside we will shade. Okay. Second subdivision, A intersection B. The common part we must shade. So look, here is a common part, so we shade here. Suppose A intersection B the whole dash means except this common part we will shade outside. Okay. I told you, no, A intersection B the whole dash means how we will shade, except intersection part we will shade outside. So subdivision 3, A intersection B the whole dash. Let us see the solution. Except the common part we shade outside. Okay. Then subdivision 4, B difference A the whole dash. Let us see the solution. What is about B difference A? Yes, B difference A means from the part of B we will remove the part of A. So look here, the total part is, this is a B, here we removed A, so remaining part of B here we shade. Is a B difference A. B difference A the whole dash means except this part, except this part we will shade everywhere. So are you clear? Okay. Then next subdivision 5, A dash union B dash. A dash we know, except A we will shade everywhere, and B dash means except B we will shade everywhere. A dash union B dash means completely we will shade the shaded region. Okay. A dash union B dash. Next subdivision 6, A dash intersection B dash. So A dash B dash, A dash intersection B dash means common part. Here the outside alone is a common part, so we shade here. Outside alone we shade here. Okay. From subdivision 3 and subdivision 5, what do you observe? They are equal. Okay. Thank you children. See you next class. Bye.